first position yaka Mamkhulu is not for the weak, and now it makes sense why uTirelo bekangayifuni in the first place. uTirelo yena bekasifunela being a second wife, a third wife, kunzima guys. So anyway guys, let's get to story of today. You know the rules of the house is Samaran Peace and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. Before we get to Tirelo, guys, people are not happy on social media. There's a lot of division. So people went on to say that Ugele will face a karma. So guys, Sipo's husband Jangaze got married to his JJ wife for this week. Guys, the social media, some are saying, this girl, she better wait and see. Things will turn against her. Some went on to say, how can you say yes to be a stepmother of 8 while you have 9 and still a vision? You know what? Someone went on again to say, what happened to Nosy, it will happen to her very soon. Guys, what if karma does not exist? There is a chances girl, she will not suffer the way people are waiting for her to suffer. This girl, she's not the first girlfriend. Guy had so many girlfriends. It's just that he decided to take this one as his second wife or his first wife, because it is alleged they are no longer together. So guys, sometimes in life you need to choose yourself as a woman. Stop begging nonsense. So anyway guys, let's get to Tirelo. Guys, so on the next episode, people are saying it seems like Tirelo, she's not happy. She's just decided to accept amalobolo for the sake of I wanna be happy, or seems to be happy on social media. So guys, on the next episode we see Mpumelelo telling ukuthi yena ufuna uTirelo azohlala eMzumbe. So uTirelo, guys, you can see ukuthi she's sad. I think she was even crying. You can see ukuthi she's not happy. So people are saying ukuthi the way uTirelo she's talking, she's like Mayeni, guys. Some are saying ukuthi le position yaka Mamkhulu is not for the weak. uTirelo, guys, she will not survive kule position. At least she can be a second wife, a third wife. If you look at Macele and Mayeni, guys, imagine Umayeni if she was the first wife. Imagine Umayeni if she was a first wife. There was no way Umayeni could survive the position. So Tirelo, she's currently busy studying. For her to go and stay in Mzumbe full time, that is totally unfair, guys. She's a student. So guys, some are saying Tirelo, she's just so happy to be with him, but deep down she knows she will never be a happy wife, guys. As long as Mpumelelo is doing whatever he's doing, Tirelo needs to choose herself. She did post on her Instagram account, as you can see, and people are asking her what is going on. Kuningi, she's not saying anything. Some are saying Tirelo, if Mpumelelo is already paid lobolo, he needs to take the other wife ahlale eMzumbe, where now you need to go back to school and finish your degree. Some advising Tirelo he needs to walk away while others are happy for Tirelo. Guys, on the next episode we're just gonna see Tirelo and Mpumelelo arguing. Mpumelelo telling Tirelo, you know what, are you gonna do what I'm telling you unless you don't want to be my wife? So if a person is telling you like that, and now ufuna lobol, you will do anything just to accept the situation. So guys, the people are saying a lot of stuff. Tirelo, guys, she's just busy lapana on Instagram, posting things to show as if she's not happy. One thing about Tirelo, we know that. So guys, some people are saying Umpumelo knew Tirelo she's gonna be a first wife, but bekayenza uVuyokazi Slima, knowing very well ukuthi ufuna ukukhipha now uTirelo se uyi-first wife kanjani. So people are not happy, guys, especially if fan base yaka Vuyokazi are complaining in the comment section. Guys, uVuyokazi, she's living her best life, she's enjoying life. Asimiyeke guys, asimiyeke nje nkosi yami aziphilele. It's okay. If Mpumelelo he doesn't want to take care of the kids, uVuyokazi seems to be fine, guys. She's raising her kids. It's up to Mseleko and Mpumelelo to do the right thing enganeni zaka Vuyokazi. That's all. uVuyokazi, guys, just because she is with someone else, she did mention ukuthi yena usenge, it doesn't mean that Mpumelelo he must not take care of his kids. That is totally unfair. So anyway guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.